Without Georgia Tech's involvement, we would not be where we're at today.
So we are a small batch chai company. We work with small scale farmers in Kerala, India, but we hand blend and manufacture everything here in Marietta, Georgia. I'm originally from India. I moved to Atlanta in the 90s with my parents, and one of the things that was really special once we made that move, and even in India, was the chai time I used to have with my parents. And then when I had my boys, I wanted to instill the same love of chai and create that tradition with them. One of the products my oldest son and I worked really hard on was chai concentrate, and put together the processes and procedures for that manufacturing. Was amazing to work with Georgia Tech, because they really helped us think through the whole process so we could be ready for Costco's order.
We knew once we landed Costco that we would have to go through the audit, and we felt pretty good about where we were at. However, when the audit was done, we didn't make it, and that's when we reached out to Georgia Tech.
So third-party audits in general are a big challenge within the food industry, but it's necessary for business growth. They're confusing, they use language that isn't part of the everyday vernacular, and if you're a business owner and you do a great job taking care of your facility, it's still usually not enough to pass a Costco audit.
And she came in to really kind of take a look at what was the shortcomings.
It was like her business. She was a chai team. Like, she literally was chai team. So I think every small business could use somebody like that. Like, it's amazing that there is an organization that can help.
I went through their processes, programs, and procedures and made direct observations in the site to compare them to the standard Costco required. And from there, we identified gaps and worked on a process to close each of those gaps before their recertification audit.
Working with Georgia Tech, we were able to pass our audit the second time around with flying colors. In fact, we scored a 99%. The order itself was about a 20% lift for us, but I think the reach was far more than that. Due to the Costco order and the social media attention that we got, I believe that our overall business, the direct-to-consumer business, was significantly up.
The Chai Box reminded me of so many small family-run businesses I've worked with before. That product is about sharing their culture with the world, sharing those stories of home and that feeling. Companies like this deserve a place on the shelves of Costco, and helping them achieve that is why I do what I do at Georgia Tech.